Hello viewers. Today in this video we discuss on the topic, can we lose weight while eating white rice? So let we check out the video. White rice lacks one of the elements known to support weight loss, fiber. It's a rich source of carbohydrates, which are essential for sustaining energy as you cut calories, but the carbs in white rice can cause a surge in blood sugar that undermines weight loss. On the plus side, white rice is filling, and if you watch how much you eat, it may be a comfort food that helps you stick with your diet. White rice isn't the healthiest choice, but any food can help you lose weight as long as you limit the total amount of calories consumed each day and exercise enough to burn more calories than you take in. 1/2 cup of cooked white rice has 103 calories, which is low enough to fit into any weight loss plan. But if you don't pay attention to portions, it's just high enough in calories that you could easily consume more than you realize if your serving size is much larger than 1/2 cup. You'll get 22 grams of carbohydrates from 1/2 cup of cooked white rice, which is 17% of an entire day's carbs based on the daily recommended intake of 130 grams. The concern about white rice is that the carbs are not offset by fiber, the presence of which would slow down carbohydrate digestion and help regulate blood sugar. In contrast, the carbs in white rice cause a spike in blood sugar. As insulin works to return blood sugar to a normal level, it promotes the conversion of sugar into fat, while also making sure that fat is not used for energy. These actions promote weight gain rather than weight loss.